What's up, you guys? Your boy Seiko. And how y'all guys been? Leave it down in the comments below. Now we'll reply back. Alright, y'all. As you see by the title, I did get an exhaust. And yeah, I didn't really get to hear because I just loaded everything up on the trailer. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna pick that back up as soon as I get to my destination. And yeah, and we'll go from there. Give out a little slight review. Alright, you guys. So we just made it at my destination. And yeah, it's like we got a little cold start of Kobe's four-wheeler. We got his back. And it's looking a lot better. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. I'm gonna turn y'all around. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I'm gonna try to get a cold start of mine's. Let me see. Y'all might can hear mine. Y'all might not. All right, y'all. So right now I'm gonna crank it up without Kobe's four-wheeler on, 'cause I know y'all probably couldn't hear mine really. And yeah, I'm gonna let y'all hear it. So I will let y'all know it might not be as loud right now because it still got a break in, pretty sure. And you can tell it wants to it crackles here and there, but I mean, I'm gonna just turn y'all around. Sounds good to me. It puts me in the mind of my old Renegade. But my old Renegade, I believe, I don't know if I ever told y'all, but I believe my old Renegade was built Gen 2. And it sounded a lot deeper than this, but since this is just a slip-on, I mean, still sounds good. You know, it's not too loud and not too obnoxious. And yeah, so
2 weeks later.
all right, you guys. So it's been like 2-3 weeks now since I've been recording, and yeah. So right now I'm loading Kobe's four-wheeler back up, and we're going back to the shop. And yeah, and he's gonna get an exhaust. So I'm gonna turn y'all around, let y'all hear this exhaust right here. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all in the truck. Alright, y'all, what's up? So the game plan, basically this one is getting an exhaust as well. After he heard mine's, he was like, I like that a lot better. it sounds more like deeper and, you know, not as obnoxious as his. Reason why his is so loud and obnoxious right now is because it has an exhaust lead right at the flange that connects to the actual muffler. And usually you can weld that, but since that's an old exhaust, I mean, he was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and swap it out and just give me a whole brand new exhaust. But at the same time, he's just gonna do another exhaust system, which basically it'll be dual as well. And my bad, you guys, I'm over here trying to drive and everything. And yeah, so the plan with his is he got that rear end fix and the exhaust and maybe lights, and that'll be it. But as far as it goes, he really want to get the exhaust fixed because this he heard mine and he was like, oh yeah, he said, I like that way better. It's not as loud and too, you know, I guess you could say eye-catching, because it is eye-catching when you crank it up. As you can hear in the video, it's really loud. And yeah, it does like get annoying over time. You can't cruise really. You have it at, you know, low RPM, and it's kind of like, you know, too loud. And mine, well, I can cruise the HMF, I can cruise with it, but at the same time, when you get down on it is when you can hear it. So, and that's just a slip on. So really and truly, I think headers, it would sound good, but honestly, a slip on is not bad for the best way to go. And yeah, so what he's gonna do, instead of going dual HMF, he's gonna go ahead and do dual Empire. So we'll do a review once we get these machines, well, not machines, well, his machine back. And yeah, and then I will pick y'all back up. So this will probably be like a spaced out video. I hate to do that, but I want to, you know, like I said, bring y'all back some good content. And yeah, so yeah, well, other than that, I'll pick y'all back up once we drop it off. All right, you guys, so we just dropped the 4-wheeler off, and he told me it'd be like 1 to 2 weeks before we'll probably hear something about it, because they have the 4-wheeler, well, not 4-wheeler, but the exhaust on back order. They had got an email yesterday about that. And yeah, so hopefully everything, you know, falls through in place and not too late. And yeah, but for the most part, I'm not going to end it or anything, because like I told you, we're going to do a review on it. And yeah, so yeah, I'll pick y'all back up then, probably another 2 weeks out. And yeah, so I will see y'all soon. Alright, you guys, what's up? It's been I want to say a week and a half or 2 weeks and a half since you last seen me. And yeah, so we're gonna probably get ready to wrap this video up. I'm gonna go pick up Kobe's 4-wheeler. And yeah, I'm curious to see how it sounds with the exhaust on there now. And yeah, so once we get it, I will grab y'all back up and I will let y'all hear it. And then after that, I will I guess I'll do a sound comparison with mine's and his. So yeah, but yeah, it's been like 2.5 weeks. The exhaust was on back order, so yeah, but it is what it is. It's part of the game. But we got it in just in time for the ride. And yeah, so yeah, pick y'all back up.
2 weeks later.
Alright, you guys, so just picked the bike up, and that thing, hey, that thing sounds, it's woken up, like it sounds good. So his might be a lot I want to say deeper than mine, but that's just a slip on. He could do a full exhaust system, but there's no point. They were like, there's no point because it's not going to gain any power from the header. So basically, you get another brand new OEM header if you were to do that. And honestly, it sounds like aggressive, like real aggressive. So I will do a comparison of the HMF and the dual Empire. So once I do that, I will well, once I get to the house, I will do that and yeah, pick y'all back up then. So other than that, I will show y'all the other parts that he has got as well on the bike. So yeah, so I'll pick y'all back up soon. All right, you guys, so we made it back to the house, and yeah, so I'm gonna turn y'all around a little bit, give y'all a cold start of how the four-wheeler sounds, and yeah, and get her off this trailer, and yeah, give y'all a little cold start right quick. Hold on. Talk to y'all when I get off the trailer, because I know it's a little loud too. So yeah, hold on. All right, you guys, got them two beauties back there, but I'm gonna do a sound comparison: the dual HMF versus the the dual HMF versus the dual Empire. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the HMF first, because it sounds about the same to me, but I'm gonna turn y'all around. Hold on. All right, you guys, so comment down below which exhaust that you think is louder, which one sounds loud, well, which one that you like, HMF or Empire. And yeah, so I'm probably end it right here, you guys. It's pretty sure it's a long video, and either way go, I don't care. I know y'all been missing out on the content and stuff, and I've just been working and grinding, really, like I always tell you. And yeah, and appreciate the 5,000 subs again, once again. No, I told y'all that already, but I really do appreciate that. And guess I will see y'all in the next video. Hopefully next video we will be doing parts on my four-wheeler. And yeah, so I will see y'all soon.
Race to the finish. winning and we winning and we winning. Speed, I race you to the finish. I push you to the limit and we winning, yeah we winning. Look at speed, I race you to the finish. I push you to the limit.